Wireless audio has enabled filmmakers to work faster, capture more, and tell amazing stories. We at Deity are about to take it one step further. Introducing THEOS, a digital UHF wireless audio ecosystem for professional video production. The DNA of THEOS is its transmission methodology. Digitally modulated ultra-wideband UHF covering 550 to 960 megahertz. THEOS features global one-band, our protocol for automatically selecting localized frequency ranges based on your smartphone's GPS, making traveling for production work more stress-free than ever. The DBTX digital body pack transmitter is capable of transmitting nearly 450 feet, thanks in part to its robust RF power, scaling all the way up to 100 milliwatts. It's also equipped with swappable SMA antenna ports, so you can fine-tune your frequency or easily upgrade to a full-fledged antenna distribution system. Both the DBTX transmitter and D2RX receiver are CNC milled from a solid block of aluminum. This yields a durable body that is also lightweight, with the transmitter weighing in at only 125 grams. The full-color LCD screen on all units allows for easy monitoring of the system's performance, ensuring that you always have a clear view of your audio levels, battery life, and other critical information on set. When powered by two Deity AA batteries, the DBTX is capable of running for up to 14 hours, and the D2RX up to 10 hours. Further, the D2RX is the heart of THEOS, the world's smallest digital UHF dual-channel portable receiver. It features the ability to be powered by either AA batteries or USB-C. It's capable of outputting balanced isolated channels or a stereo mix for cameras, while still allowing headphone monitoring. After performing an RF scan through the device's menu, paired DBTX units will automatically jump to those new frequencies. But we know how unforgiving filmmaking can be, the variety of interference and obstacles some locations may have. So we equipped each DBTX with a 32-bit float backup recorder with micro SD card support up to 128 gigabytes. That means no longer worrying about your audio dropping or clipping. At Deity, we believe in integrated ecosystems. That's why we made THEOS fully compatible with our full line of timecode products. Now, when you wirelessly sync timecode across each of your cameras and sound bags, all of your DBTX's backup recorders will automatically sync up to match. Files recorded in-body will have timecode metadata baked in and will perfectly align with the rest of your media in post-production, hugely reducing the chance of errors and time consumption in your workflow. We also made THEOS fully controllable via the Citus Audio app. Using your mobile device, you can wirelessly control the DBTX and/or D2RX up to 250 feet away. Through Citus Audio, you're able to pair up to 20 devices and have full control over different settings and functions like gain, low-cut filters, and remote triggering of the backup recorder. You'll never have to bother your talent to make minor adjustments again. Wireless audio in all of its power has been a complicated feat to master. THEOS was engineered to harness that power and deliver it in the most straightforward and comprehensive way possible. And as that power grows, so does the ecosystem. Stay tuned.